In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp notification. Now, if you look at my WhatsApp, you can see I have over 537 WhatsApp notification. And if I just swipe on my screen here, you can see these notifications are quite annoying and they are just too many. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this should work on any Android smartphone by just following the same process. Now, if you swipe your notification, that will not solve the problem because new ones will just pop up again and the cycle will continue. So the best way to solve this problem is through your settings. And to stop this, let's go to settings and I'll show you how you can stop it. So once you are on your settings, scroll down until you get to apps, and apps is here. Tap on it to open. Now once you are here, look for the option called manage apps and open it. Now this will open up all the apps that you have on your smartphone. So go ahead and look for WhatsApp. And because they are arranged alphabetically, WhatsApp should be almost towards the end of your list, and mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open and look for the notification option on your app. Now if you look at my notifications option, it is turned to yes. To turn it off, just tap on it, and here you can turn off specific notifications, or you can just turn off everything by using this first button. Go ahead and toggle off the show notifications button by just tapping on it, and as you can see, all the other notifications or options have been turned off. Now immediately I did so, all the notifications that were popping up were closed, and this is a permanent solution, and from here no WhatsApp notifications will ever pop up on my screen. So let me know if you have any other question in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.